Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on neurological disorders. The first book is Neuralgia, its causes and its remedies, with a chapter on angina pectoris. This book is written by Dr. J. Compton Burnett. Dr. J. Compton Burnett was a British stalwart homeopath. This book was first published in the year 1889. Cases with remedies on different types of neuralgia are well explained in this book. Dr. Burnett says, if there is anything in this earth, life of ours, that is hard to bear, surely it is neuralgia. And if there is anything in this world that can cure, I do not mean relieve, lull, dull, deaden or kill, but cure, really cure neuralgia, that thing is homeopathy. The next book is The Therapeutics of Facial and Sciatic Neuralgias, with repertories and clinical cases. This book is written by F. H. Lutzi. This book was published in the year 1896. Dr. Frederick Henry Lutzi, he was MD, born in Germany in 1838, studied in New York Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital in 1879, and received his degree in 1882. The book contains two parts. Part 1, facial neuralgia with clinical cases and repertory, having 121 medicines with cases and discussions. And part 2 is sciatic neuralgia with clinical cases and repertory, having 84 medicines with cases and discussions. The author has consulted following books for writing this book: Herring's Guiding Symptoms, Herring's Condensed Materia Medica, T.F. Allen's Handbook of Materia Medica, Hahnemann's Chronic Diseases, Farrington's Clinical Materia Medica, The Homeopathic Physician from 1884 to 96, and the North American Journal of Homeopathy, also the Hahnemann Monthly, Medical Current, Homeopathic Recorder. This is a very useful book for beginners and the old practitioners. The next book is Stepping Stones to Neurology by Dr. E. R. McIntyre. He was an American homeopath, professor of neurology in the Denham Medical College of Chicago. His book gives a brief sketch of those nervous diseases that are most commonly met in general practice. The author has attempted to give a picture of each disease sufficiently clear to enable the student to recognize it. The contents are anatomy and physiology, methods of examination of neurological diagnosis, cerebral hyperemia, cerebral anemia, cerebral atheroma, cerebral aneurysm, cerebral thrombosis, cerebral embolism, cerebral hemorrhage, cerebral meningitis, encephalitis, cerebral softening, cerebral sclerosis, intracranial tumors, chronic hydrocephalus, spinal meningitis, tumors of the spinal cord and meninges, spinal hemorrhage, transverse spinal myelitis, syringomyelia, poliomyelitis anterior, progressive muscular atrophy, spastic paraplegia, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, progressive locomotor ataxia, ataxic paraplegia, pseudo-hypertrophic paralysis, abnormal vascular conditions of the spinal cord and its membrane, multiple neuritis, tetanus, epilepsy, chorea, hysteria, catalepsy, neurasthenia, neuralgia, and reflex irritations. The next book is Epilepsy by Dr. Saeed Ahmed. He was a DI homeopathy from London. He is the author of 12 books on homeopathy. The first edition was published in the year 2000. Dr. Saeed Ahmed has an honor of receiving a letter of appreciation from Dr. William Tankard Hahnemann, the great-grandson of Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann. The contents of the book are medical aspects, social aspects, difference between epilepsy and hysteria, homeopathic treatment of epilepsy, homeopathic remedies for epilepsy, Kent's repertory of convulsion, and the references. The next book is Epilepsy Cured with Homeopathic Medicines, Sivaraman P. Dr. Sivaraman P. is author of various books. He has this book, the reprint edition of this book was published in the year 1997. This book contains 3 parts: introduction, Materia Medica with 78 remedies, repertory. This is a very useful book for practitioners. The next book is A Repertory of Convulsions by Dr. E. M. Santee. He was an MD. That is Dr. E. M. Santee, that is Ellis Monroe Santee. This book was published in the year 1890. The contents are: before the spasm, general alphabetical arrangement, constitution and dispositions, parts affected, after the spasm, spasms begin, aggravations, ameliorations, time, coming on during, and the 11th topic is cause. The next book is Spasms and Convulsions, an abridged repertory, eclampsia, epilepsy, hysterical fits, chorea and convulsions in general. This book is written by Dr. A. W. Holcombe. He was an MD. The contents are: Chapter 1, Constitution and Disposition, time of attack, parts or parts affected, before the attack, attack begins in, attack begins with, during the attack, attacks with, after the attack, attacks prevented or ameliorated by, attack caused or aggravated by, parts affected, miscellaneous symptom. It's a repertory and medicines are given according to various chapters and rubrics. The next book on epilepsy is A Guide to Understanding and Living with Epilepsy. Well friends, this is not an homeopathic book and the author is not an homeopath. The author is Dr. Orrin Devinsky. He is an MD. Dr. Devinsky was born on 12th February 1957. He is a director of New York University Comprehensive Epilepsy Center and the St. Barnabas Institute of Neurology and Neurosurgery. Also a professor of neurology, neurosurgery and psychiatry at New York University Langone School of Medicine. Devinsky specializes in epilepsy and behavioral neurology. He is an author of 20 different books and monographs. This book was published in 2007. The contents are: Part 1, Medical Aspects of Epilepsy, Part 2, Diagnosis and Treatment of Epilepsy, Part 3, Epilepsy in Children, Part 4, Epilepsy in Adults, Part 5, Legal and Financial Issues in Epilepsy, Part 6, Resources for People with Epilepsy, and Appendices and Indexes. The next book is Headache and its Materia Medica. This is a very important book. This book is written by Dr. B. F. Underwood. He was an MD. Benjamin Franklin Underwood. He was born in 1839 and died in 1914. He was an American homeopath. This book was published in the year 1889. Detailed discussion on types of the headache with Materia Medica of more than 170 remedies with repertory is given in this book. It's a must-read book for practitioners. The next book is What to Do for Head. Is written by Dr. G. E. Danst. Dr. G. E. Danst is an American homeopath. He was a PhD MD. He was a professor of medicine in Hearing Medical College, Chicago. This book is a compilation of the most important symptoms of the head and the leading remedies and in their cure. The next book is Migraine and its Homeopathic Treatment by Dr. S. J. L. Mount. He was an MRCP and FF homeopathy. This book is an exhaustive thesis on the genesis, nature and control of migraine with particular reference to the bowel nosodes. Remember, this is the only book you can find bowel nosodes related with migraine. There is also an article included in this book titled Migraine and its Homeopathic Treatment by Dr. Ilham Munch. He was an MD. This article was published in Pacific Court Journal of Homeopathy in the July 1940. The next book is How to Cure Headache, Facial Neuralgia, Glaucoma, Toothache, etc. with Homeopathy. This book is written by Dr. P. S. Kamthan. As you all know that Dr. P. S. Kamthan is a renowned homeopath from Uttar Pradesh. This book contains topics on headache, a repertory of headache, prosopagnosia and glaucoma. This is a good book for beginners and practitioners. The next book is The Homeopathic Therapy of Diseases of the Brains and Nerves by Dr. George Royal. He was an MD. He was a famous American stalwart homeopath. He graduated in 1882. He was a professor of the mathematics and therapies for 30 years at the State of University of Iowa, United States of America. This book was published in the year 1928. This book has information on more than 52 disorders, including brain tumors, herpes zoster, epilepsy, hyper and hypothyroidism, insomnia, meningitis, multiple sclerosis, sciatica, stroke, vertigo, with index of diseases and remedies. The next important book is Coma and AIDS Homeopathic Treatment. This book is written by Dr. Magan Lal V. Desai. The preface of this small booklet is written by Dr. P. Sankaran Sir. I'll repeat. This preface of this book is written by Dr. P. Sankaran Sir. This lecture was first printed in the Indian Journal of Homeopathic Medicine. This is a very useful book for practitioners. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.